Right 5. Oh my god. Left 5. No, that's right. You're doing great, Johnny.
R4 minus sharp.
Okay, we're in that right now.
Yellow motion sick reading.
Yeah, just look straight ahead. Look as far as you can see.
Okay.
The motion sickness will start to dissipate.
It's right 5 short 40, left 5 plus short into right 5 plus short 70. That's right 5 plus short 70.
Everyone thinks that rally co-driving is easy. So today, I invited 3 rally fans who've never been in a rally car to try guiding me. Our first co-driver is Sunny. She's a competitive go-kart driver and an avid rally videographer. So she has a deep love of motorsport. But can she keep her composure and remain focused on her first rally stage reading notes? Let's find out.
So, Sonny, you've never done this before.
Never, ever, ever. First time in a rally car. I am so ready though.
Oh,
We're giving
goodness.
it. We're giving it. Okay.
You ready?
Oh, okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is left 4 minus. Right 4 and left. That way. Right 5. 40 left 5. And oh my god. Right that way. Left 5. No, that's right. Right 5. Left. This left. That's the left. Yes, that way. I think it's right 5. You're doing great, Johnny.
We're right 5 into left 5 over crest 30.
Agreed.
Right 6 short and right 5 long down. Left.
Left
4.
is yes.
Okay, enjoy the ride. Don't worry about the notes. Just enjoy the ride. Don't worry about the notes.
Right.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
That way.
Well, that I could see.
Yay! Oh.
It's very icy right here.
Oh.
Very icy. Whoa!
What a move! What a move! Oh, we are flying. Who needs notes?
Very slippery in here. Very sheer ice underneath there.
Ooh.
Careful, careful. Patience. Now go. Whoa! Don't look at the trees or you'll hit them. Don't look at the trees.
I'm
Don't look at the trees.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Oh, cook it.
Oh, sheer ice. Sheer ice, tight turn.
Easy, easy.
Bad combinations.
Yes! Yes, keep rolling. Yay!
That is slick.
That was unreal. Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
That was life-changing. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was so fun.
Hey, Sonny, welcome to the team.
Oh yeah, that was initiation.
It's
I thought I knew
completely
what it would be like because I like video it all the time, but it's nothing like what I thought.
shocking, right?
Like it's just completely. Hey guys.
Good, you needed that.
I so did. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Beauty.
Right.
What do I that's all I can say. I was out of it. Oh my god. I got like through
let's
the
get you geared up.
first page
Take things out of the bag.
and then I was just gone and then we just enjoyed the ride and it was really good.
Our next co-driver is Gray. He's a JDM automotive enthusiast who's still very new to the rally scene. He's dead set on remaining focused and nailing these pace notes. Let's see how well he can hold on to that focus and his lunch.
Here are your pace notes. We'll get you back to page 1. I think you're good. Oh, you got this, buddy?
And how fast should I read these?
You have to stay where you have to know where we are.
Yep.
And give me foresight about a corner to a corner and a half, 2 corners ahead.
Okay.
Good. Here you are. You ready?
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
40 long 4 minus into R4 and
R is right.
right 4 and left 5 minus short.
Into your head.
into
We're in the right 4. We're coming up to the left now.
left 5 minus short into right 5 short. Left 5 plus short into right 5 short 40. Left 5 plus short into right 5 plus short 70. Right 4 minus sharp 40. Long or left 2 minus long 40. 70. right 5 plus 2 crest.
Okay, we're off, way off.
Way off,
This is
sorry.
a right 5, down, care, left 4, sharp. Left 4 minus sharp. Okay, we're in that right now. Okay, just look up for a sec.
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride for a second here.
Ooh, yellow motion sick reading.
Yeah, just look straight ahead. Look as far as you can see.
Okay.
The motion sickness will start to dissipate.
Yeah.
Don't worry about reading anymore.
Okay, thank you.
This is in the shade. It's super ice under us here.
Yeah.
So I'm not even going to try to push
Okay.
because it's a tight turn. And that's finish.
Whew.
What do you think?
Hell yeah. Definitely, it wouldn't be wise to be the co-pilot eating hot dogs.
No. What about the ride along in a rally car?
Oh,
You could-
sick, dude.
If you could tell people who have never done it, how would you describe it?
Like a even better roller coaster.
Yeah. That's always been my my metaphor for it.
Yeah.
Oh, my ears are full. Oh, yeah. Yeah, your ears are going to be
Oh, yeah,
in
it's
pain.
good.
Are they good now?
Most. Yeah, I can't wear Ryan's helmet. It's so tight. Okay, we're good.
Okay, I'll Hans you up, and then we'll tighten up the...
Our third co-driver is our editor, Nick. He has a deep love of videography and motorsport. He started competing in rallycross events as well and upping his driver skills. Let's see how easy co-driving feels to him.
Oh, you got that. You can. I see the amount of flex you need. You might... Here, I'll shift your phone forward. You totally got it.
Okay.
Awesome. And now let me just make sure these are over the Hans. How tight is this?
It is like.
There you go. All right, I'll grab the book for you. You shouldn't be able to move. If you're upside down, your
cannot
seating
move.
position should not change. All right, you good to go?
Yep.
Okay, so I've got Nick. This is the guy that edits and produces and films a lot of what you see. And he's going to try co-driving and show you just how easy it is. You ready, Nick?
Yeah, try is a strong word here. All right,
5, 4,
3,
2.
1, go. 40, left 4 minus, into right 4, and left 5 sharp, into right 5 short, 40, left 5 plus, into right 5 short, 40, right 5 short, or sorry, that's left 5 short.
We have a right, and we're going to left 2 long here coming up. Left 2 minus, I think, long.
That looks like
And then
I'm
ice.
probably already behind.
Ice right here.
Oh yeah, left too long. 60, right 6 short, 60,
Care.
left 4 sharp.
Look for the
Oh
care.
yeah, there's a care there.
Left 4 sharp. Keep going if you can.
Into right 4 late, 60. Bunch of stuff, and
Wait.
yeah, this is probably all of the bunch of stuff.
'Kay,
right
right.
5 long, and left 6,
Next.
and right 5 minus. Or something, or opens 80. Right 5 plus short. 80. Left 4. Must be right 5 short.
This is sheer ice in here, so we're going to go really slow, just so you know.
Yep.
This is a left, something short.
Yeah, left 4.
Into. Go.
Right 5 short. 70. Right 4 plus. Into. Left 5.5 long.
5 plus.
5 plus. Okay. Into right 4 sharp. 90. Left 5 plus short. Into right 5 plus short. Over finish. 60. Stop. Did I do okay?
It's your first time, man. It's not easy.
It is not. That is significantly harder. That was awesome.
Finally, we have someone with some real co-driving experience. This is Chris. You probably know him from Gravel Co. Chris and Ryan have been making waves since their debut last year at Cochrane Rally. They've been absolutely flying. This ought to be fun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, left 4 minus, into right 4. Okay, this is left 4 minus, into right 4, and left 5 minus short. This is right 4 and left 5 minus short. This is right 5 short 40, left 5 plus short, into right 5 plus short, then left 2 minus long 40. That's left 2 minus long 40.
Super icy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's left 6 short into right 5 plus short 30. That's right 5 plus short 30, then left 5, then right 6 short rather, 60. That's right 6 short 60, then right 5 down, long, left care. Yeah, 60 left 5 plus 70, then left 5 half long minus 40.
Wow, the traction has changed so much from this morning.
They kind of tore it up a little bit, eh?
Yeah.
All right,
so
so
much
240 ends in left 4 plus sharp 60. That's left 4 plus sharp 60, then left 5 plus very long 6, something left 6 tightens 5 plus. Yeah, okay, so this is left 5 plus something here, 6 tightens 5 plus, and right 5. This is, I think, 6
is the
tightens
long
5
6?
plus.
Yep.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
6, we're into Titan 5 now.
Yeah. Okay, then right 5 plus long L. She has a different shorthand than me.
Yep.
This is right 5 plus long and left 6 short and right 5. This is left 6 short and right 5 minus. And right 4 minus sharp. This is right 5 minus and right 4 minus sharp. That's right 5 plus short 80 and left 4. That's right 5 plus short 80, left 4, and right 5 short. That's left 4 and right 5 short 70. This is left 4 and right 5. That's right 4 plus and to have left 5 half long into right 4 sharp. Okay, this is left 5 half long and to right 4 sharp 90. Okay, that's right 4 sharp 90, then left 5 plus short. Okay, this over yeah, okay, left 5 plus short. That's right 5 plus short over finish 60 to stop.
Cool. All right. Yeah, nice job, man.
Thank you very much.
You guys do a lot of like repeat extra calls.
Yeah, yeah, he wants like, it's like, you know, you get the initial information
Yeah.
just to get it in the back of your head, and then you load it right up to the corner.
Yeah, the extra calls, it's interesting. That's too much for me.
Oh, it's kind of overwhelming?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if we do
Overloads
another
my
run at some
brain.
point, I can give you just like one at a time.
Yeah, I usually I only need it once. I like clean unless I say repeat because I've
Right.
screwed up somehow.
Gotcha.
And then at the end of long straights, at the beginning of the straight, I want the end. And then as we get closer to the end, then it's like start calling again kind of thing.
Yeah,
Repeat.
that's the repeat. You
That's
just get
repeat,
the-
yeah.
Yeah.
But the wow, man, you were like those first ones when we're like, where it's like the 5s and 6s and shorts and 7. It was like you were giving them all twice, and then I was challenging myself. I'm like, okay, so that's what you guys do,
Yeah,
of course, right?
it's Ryan mode.
So I was like, okay, I'm gonna challenge myself, and maybe it's just because of what I do for a living, but I was like, that is a lot of sonic information right now.
Yeah, for real, man. Every time I'm going this, it's like that is what you're looking at. So if it's like,
Yes.
okay, this is right 5.
Yes.
Yeah.
That you did really well. This is right 5.
Yeah.
You're
Sometimes I'll physically point.
yeah.
Thanks.
I like that. Yeah, well done. Really
Thank
good job.
you very
You're,
much.
You're killing it.
Appreciate it.
And I knew, and even that, I knew it was something that your driver likes, so that if I mentioned it, I knew you could adjust because you're doing such a good job of that.
You're very kind. Thank you.
Of course, man.
It
Nice
was a
job.
good drive.
And that's a wrap for this edition of VexWorks. If you've enjoyed this video, then leave us a comment. Maybe we'll do another first-time co-drivers video at our next test day. But we're about to head off to the Olympus rally, so if you're going to be there, please come say hi. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next video.